Riso SF5030 installation up in Schweizer. South Bison offers automation, digital print technology. Yeah, the Riso run. Riso SF50.
We were given to propose two options. Now, because they said the demand average of what they used to get per semester. And it was 10,000 rand and 2 finish. Plan B is to pay 180 once more. So they could not wait, and remember that the 10,000 was, the percentage was free of interest. So they could not wait for 300,000 for over a period of time.